Ever felt overwhelmed by the hustle and bustle of daily life and yearned for a peaceful retreat? In today's fast-paced world, stress is all too common. Finding ways to unwind is crucial. Imagine a personal oasis of tranquility. How about creating a tranquil paradise right in your backyard? Yes, we're talking about a relaxing garden. Creating a relaxing garden is not as daunting as it sounds. So let's walk through the steps to create your own little oasis. First things first, location matters. You want to choose a spot that feels right to you. It could be a sunny corner that catches the morning light, or a shaded nook under a large tree. The choice is yours. Next, let's talk about plants. Certain plants are known to promote relaxation. Lavender, for instance, is famous for its calming scent. Chamomile, too, with its delicate flowers, is a great choice. And don't forget jasmine. Its sweet aroma is sure to soothe your senses. But a garden is not just about plants. Adding elements of water like a small fountain or a bird bath can create a calming effect. The gentle sound of water trickling can be incredibly soothing. Now, where will you sit and enjoy this haven? Comfortable seating is key. An inviting bench or a cozy hammock, perhaps? Remember, this is your space to unwind and relax. Finally, let's not forget that your garden is a reflection of you. So, let your personality shine through. Choose plants, decorations, and elements that speak to you and create a space that you love. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to create your very own relaxing oasis. So are you ready to embark on this journey towards tranquility? Gardening can be a powerful tool in managing stress and uplifting your mood. The simple act of nurturing plants, feeling the soil between your fingers, and watching life grow can bring a sense of calm and satisfaction. Gardening is not just about growing plants, but also cultivating peace of mind. Start your journey today, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!